What's up, guys? We got a Dodge Challenger here. We end up installing the shock sensor with the app notification. So if anybody tries to bust out the window or the nut locks, it will fire off the factory alarm and it will send them a notification. What we end up doing, we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm, and then we added the notification module so he can get an alert on his phone. And it also comes with GPS. But I'm gonna go ahead and trigger it. Basically, from factory, the only thing that works is somebody opens the trunk of the doors. Nobody's gonna do that. They're gonna break the window and jump in, or possibility go right through the sunroof here. So any banging around the car will set off the alarm, and then you'll get an alarm alert. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window so you can see.
Vehicle alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle. Vehicle alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle. Vehicle alert. Your alarm is sounding on your vehicle.
Okay. And basically, if somebody tries to tamper with the tires, it will set off the factory alarm as well. You're probably asking yourself, if it comes with an alarm, why do I need to do anything else to it? It's because factory alarms do not have any type of glass protection. So everybody knows that, so they're going to bust out the window and jump right in without opening any of the doors. So by adding this upgrade is crucial, because, you know, right now, if somebody bangs in the vehicle from bumper to bumper, it will set off the alarm. And he wanted the notification because he lives in an apartment complex, and he doesn't think he's going to hear the horn honking once he's buried back in his apartment. So even in front of the house, it's probably nice to have it too, because if you go to the gym or you do other things and you don't use the car every day, only in the weekend, you can have the alarm send you an alert. So it's a nice upgrade, and it also comes with GPS. For security reasons, I'm not going to show the location where the car is parked, but it does come with the GPS tracking. This alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. Miami, Homestead, Fort Lauderdale, Pepper Pines. Give us a call and we come out to you. If you're out of state, don't worry. We can you can give us a call and we can guide you how to get this installed in whatever state you live in. Don't worry about it. I got you covered. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.